Yo, what is going on, everybody? My name is THUNDERSTORM, and guys, look what that is. Look what that is. I knew what that was. OMG. That thing look... Oh, I gotta... Wait, no. I'm gonna be a man and walk close, so I can take a closer look. This thing looks vicious. Wow. That looks totally awesome. If this thing does come here, awesome. Look what that thing is. That thing looks mad. That thing looks mad. Oh my gosh. That. Okay, I'm gonna walk around that. Oh. Look at that. Does that look awesome or what? Oh! Oh, thunderstorm. Come here. For the viewers, please. We appreciate it. Look at that. See the top? See the bottom? This thing looks awesome. Wow. So the closer it gets, the more I gotta walk back. This thing looks awesome. As you can see him walking down the street. And look what I spotted. Hello, Mr. Storm Cloud. Wow, that thing looks rounded. Looks like a supercell or a shelf cloud. Huh. Look at the... okay, I really gotta... I'm gonna start walking slowly, like backwards slowly, so I could at least see what's going on. So I could get a chance to see what's going on. This is what's going on. July 7th or 8th, whatever day it is, 2014, at 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is what's going on. Yeah, I better start walking, because that vicious storm is coming. Well, guys, leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what this kind of cloud is. Oh my gosh, this thing looks kind of angry. It looks angry. Either say a thunderstorm or just a regular storm, but it looks kind of vicious. Now, I even saw this kind of storm in like years. Wow. How do I do it, birdie? Wow. Yep, that car's got wet. Oh, wow. Thunderstorm. My minion. My minion. Uh-oh. I really gotta get walking right now. Yeah, that thing is starting to get above us. Hello. I know you love me. I know you love me. But I gotta get home first before you come. Babe, precious. I know you love me and all, but I gotta get home before you do strike. I was wondering, why do I talk to the thunderstorms a lot? It's because I do that. That's why. I love to do that to thunderstorms. So, yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video and the commentary. Be sure to smash one button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time for another thunderstorm video and or Minecraft videos.